Alright, I just want to do a little review on this LED that I'm going to put on this van. So I'm going to drive it. So you see how bright they are right now. So we see the before and after. Alright, so here we go. So that's how much light we got.
How much light?
Not too much. Alright, stay tuned. Let's get it on. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We got a 7mm socket right there. So we're gonna remove those two little screws. One on the top here, the other one right here. I should be able to take those two little screws, pick this one up, set it right here on the side. Now to remove the headlight, you got it's held by 4 little screws. You don't have to remove all of them to take the headlight out. All you got to remove is the 2 top, and then you bend this down a little bit, and the whole headlight you can pull it right out. Okay, so now, alright, so here's how do you remove this headlight. So like I said, we're just gonna take off the two top screw. So we're taking out 2 top screw, then you push the light, keep the light in and push this ring out, and then you bend the ring a little bit and you slide your light out. And then we're just gonna unplug it. Make sure you don't pull in the connector. So you gotta pull it there. So when you put in this headlight, make sure the connection is on the top, not on the bottom, on the top, because your low bin is on the top and your high bin is on the bottom. Make sure you put some electrical grease before you connect it. Make sure you test them before you put them back. Make sure you test them. Alright, so there you have it. You have it. Nice. Alright, so here we got the after. It's better than the one we had first, better than factory. Yeah, I like it better. Let's see. High bin. Yep, low bin. Yep, it's good. Yep, let's see how they look outside. Oh yeah. Yeah. Way better than stock. Way better than stock. Yep. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And see you in the next one.